When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much.
You can see this is how it looks. It's naturally black. It's so soft. The quality is amazing, and since I have another black hair, I'm gonna dye it to like maroonish or something. I've been admiring that color. I hope the color suits my skin complexion. Yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys on my next video where I'll be installing, and I'm gonna just install this video at the same time. It looks like the wig cap is okay, so the installation is okay as well. So it comes with some clip-ons. Yeah, so black and maroon. This one is from Moku Fashion Collection on Amazon. Yeah.
Shaken but not stirred, just a lesson that I've learned, and so it goes. Tables turn in your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better. belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. Let you down. Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul. No one else will let you down. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
Installing a 13x4 wig. This is the result. I hope you really enjoyed the installation. It was so much work, but what is important, we have got to the end of this video. So yeah, so let me know what you think about it. The details of this wig will be on my description box as well. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to tell a friend to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the like button and the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. As for now, enjoy my installation and the wig as I show you guys, and the color. Let me know also how it looks like on the comment.
stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned, and so it goes.